Happy birthday to my one and only loving and dashing queen, Mother Sachiko Sat. Thank you for always reminding me to be good and study well. And I wish you more blessings and good health, Doc. And advance Happy Teacher's Day. Greetings from your Mr. Sikosat 2022. I love you, Doc.
Hi, Doc. Another year of glowing strength, wisdom and grace, and wishing you a day filled with happiness, and a day and a year filled with joy. And let me greet you a happy birthday, our Doc Yaran Daya. Ay attend ka, and nandakam ko mga liplipatan. By the way, I am your former student. I am Jordan Janis Chiliris Langondaso, a BSHM graduate, and your campus prince 2022 of Sikosat Colleges. Tatak Sikosat. And yeah, happy birthday, Doc.
Happiest birthday to my mentor and my former teacher, Doc Yarian Daya. Be always an inspiration and a motivator to all Sikosatians. This is Brian Feliciano, your Mr. Sikosat 2023.
Hi Doc Yari, happy birthday, and sana yung mga wishes mo sa buhay ay matupad, and I like to sing a song that reminds me of you. No one's gonna ever hold you more than I do. No man can ever love you, girl, it's true. No one's gonna ever hold you more than I do. You came to me from heaven, girl, it's true. If I ever lose your heart, if I ever lose your love, oh baby, I'm dying for your love. So that's it, and I hope you like it. From your Campus Prince 2023, goodbye.
Happy birthday, Doc. Thank you tigi na singpet kang kinaanos mo kanyami idi estudyante na kanipay. More birthdays to come kun sapi ko mata nakaradgad kang agnanayon. This is Lizelle, your Sikosat Campus Princess 2023. Love you, Doc.
Hello, Doc! I just want to say that being one of your students is such a blessing, and I will always remember your valuable lessons. I have nothing but gratitude for you, and I want to thank you for everything you've done for me. You truly are as committed as you are wonderful, and your impact on your students' lives is extraordinary. May God continue to bless you and fulfill all your wishes, and may you celebrate many more birthdays in your life as you continue spreading the amazing wisdom in you. On this special day in your life, I wish you a happy birthday and happy Teacher's Day, Doc. I love you, Doc!
Hello, Doc. Happy birthday sa'yo. Wishing you all the best. Have a good health. Mag-ingat ka palagi. At gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa'yo, Doc, sa mga turo at advices mo sa akin nung ako'y yung estudyante dati dyan sa Sikosat. Thank you, Doc, at happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Doc. More birthday to come and more goals to achieve. This is John Frank de la Peña, your former student, your former SBO officers, and former Sikosat ROTC Unit Corps Commander. Okay na.
Happy birthday to my one and only beautiful and caring NSTP Director sa Sikosat Colleges. Thank you for always reminding me to study well and have a dedicated heart and mind to serve and protect my country. I wish you abundant blessings and long life, Doc Yari. Kumagum kanyami nga anak mo, iti Sikosat ROTC Unit. We love you. I love you, Doc Yari.
Happy birthday to my former teacher, Doc Yari Andaya. Thank you for all the learnings and expertise you embedded to us. I wish you more blessings and good health, Doc. Han ka ko mamom umakinyami nga solid yarinatics mo. I love you, Doc. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to our one and only Inay sa Sikusat. Thank you for always reminding us to study well, and we wish you good health and long life, Doc. Hangka ko mamuhumakan yaming estudyante, and we love you.
Hi Sir Gaudencio Andaya Jr. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. More blessings to come. And this is your pinakapoging BS Pharmacy student, Lance Gabriel Noki Luzano, and Certified Yarinatics.
Hello Doc, happy birthday. Thank you for your all advice, and stay healthy, stay beautiful as always, and more blessings to come, Doc. I love you, Doc.
Hello Doc, happy birthday, and I wish you all the best. Continue helping and sharing your knowledge to others, and take care always. God bless you, Doc. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Doc. Have a great birthday, Doc. God bless lagi, Doc, and love you, Doc, and Certified Yarinatics.
Happy birthday, Doc. More birthday to come, and enjoy your day. We love you, Doc.
Hi Doc, happy birthday. Wish you all the best and keep safe always. More blessing to and God bless. Thank you for everything, Doc. I love you, Doc.
Hello po, Doc. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Stay safe and always calm, and more blessings to come. And I am one of your certified Yarinatics from Abra.
Happy birthday, Doc Yari, coming from your baby bus. Hey!
Good day, Doc. It is your special day, and I want to say happy birthday. I love you so much, Doc, and may your birthday full of blessing, and may the Lord bless you as always. And I am Iverson Salvador. Greetings from Cervantes, Ilocos Sur. Thank you.
Birthday, Doc Yari. Happy birthday, Doc Yari.
Happy birthday, Doc.
Happy birthday, Doc Yari.
Good evening, Sir Yari. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Good night. I love you so much. Alam mo, hindi mo ako kilala, but nag-aral sa Sikusat na isang SEM. God bless you.